This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
The Ring plugin on HOOBS. From the HOOBS dashboard, you will want to click on Plugin, then search for your plugin. Once you find your plugin, click on the plugin, then click Install. When installing a plugin, it will install a new bridge. You want to click on the Install button. Once the plugin has installed, you want to click on the Configuration button. For this plugin, all we need to do is link the account. You will just sign in to your account, then click Login. Ring will send you a verification code. Just enter that code. After you have linked your account, you want to scroll down to the bottom and click on Save. Next, we will want to verify that everything is working by clicking on Dashboard. Ensure that your bridge is running, and then click on Accessories. Your camera should be shown here in a box like so. Next, we will want to link your Ring bridge to your Apple Home.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.